And it's now time for the business review. MasterCard has officially set up an office in Jamaica. The electronic payments company has outlined strategies to move the country towards a cashless future. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Jamaica has been on the road to digital transformation for quite some time now, but now that MasterCard has decided to set up an office right here in Jamaica, the country has made a giant leap.
We saw an opportunity for significant transformation in payments. Jamaica, for example, the personal consumption and expenditure, which is essentially the use of cards for personal expenditure, is below 20%. In most advanced markets, it's actually closer to 50%. So you can see clearly that there are significant opportunities.
And it's not just about getting Jamaicans to complete more transactions through electronic means. MasterCard country manager for Jamaica and Trinidad, Dalton Fowles, says it's also about creating opportunities for those who don't use a bank.
If you just look at the central bank data, there's probably on an annualized basis anywhere between $600 billion and $1 trillion in the cash economy. We believe the opportunities are there to expand inclusive growth through financial inclusion, because essentially we have a lot of people at what we call the long tail that are still heavily reliant on cash. And of course, there's a significant social cost where that is concerned, because those folks very often are not able to access credit, and certainly at an affordable rate, because they generally can't prove that there is income.
That's why the company changed its strategy and is now open to partnering with non-financial institutions.
There was a time when we only licensed financial institutions. These days we are partnering with non-FIs, obviously working through the financial institution to foster innovation. Like I said earlier, innovation is part of our DNA, and we believe using the creativity of our tech companies and other players who are not necessarily in the financial space will make a significant difference in also expanding payment acceptance in the market.
In terms of specific product offerings, President of MasterCard's Caribbean division, Marcelo Tangioni, says the company is targeting the debit card segment.